The Cuisinart 72220 8-inch Chef's Classic Stainless Cookware Collection. 8 inches. Open skillet is a solid choice for any kitchen. It feels sturdy and well made. The stainless steel shines like a mirror. It heats up quickly and evenly. This makes cooking a breeze. You can sauté vegetables or sear chicken easily. The 8-inch diameter is perfect for single servings. It is also good for small side dishes. The open design makes it easy to flip food. There are no covers included with this skillet. The Cuisinart 72220 8-inch Chef's Classic Stainless Cookware Collection. 8 inches. Open skillet is also easy to clean. Food doesn't stick too much. A little soap and water do the trick. It's oven safe, too. This adds to its versatility. Imagine starting off frittata on the stovetop. Then you can finish it in the oven. This skillet can handle different cooking scenarios. There are no special prep requirements. Just wash it before the first use. Overall, the Cuisinart 72220 8-inch Chef's Classic Stainless Cookware Collection. 8 inches. Open skillet is a reliable pan. It is good for everyday cooking. It won't break the bank. Shipping is usually fast from most retailers. You don't need a big deposit to buy it. It's a great addition to any set. It might not hold many quarts of food, but it's perfect for smaller tasks. It performs well in various cooking states. Pros: heats quickly, heats evenly, no hot spots, durable, easy to clean, good quality, good value. Nice size, lightweight, oven safe, dishwasher safe, induction ready, lifetime warranty. Cons: hard to clean, small cooking area, handle can get hot, may develop pits, quality concerns. Lid not included, can be heavy, not fully non-stick features. Mirror finish, stainless steel, aluminum base, even heating, no hot spots, cool grip handle. Drip-free rim, oven safe, to 500 degrees F. Dishwasher safe, lifetime warranty. This Cuisinart 8-inch skillet is made of stainless steel with a shiny, mirror-like finish. It has a thick aluminum base that helps heat spread evenly, so there are no hot spots while cooking. The handle is designed to stay cool when you're using it on the stove. The edge of the skillet is shaped to prevent drips when pouring. You can even put this skillet in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's safe to wash in the dishwasher. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty. This Cuisinart 8-inch skillet is made of stainless steel and can heat up quickly and evenly without hot spots. It is strong, easy to clean, and a good value for its price and size. It is also lightweight, oven and dishwasher safe, and can be used on induction cooktops. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty. However, some people find it hard to clean, and the cooking area is a bit small. The handle can get hot, and there are some concerns about the quality. With reports of pitting, it does not come with a lid and can sometimes feel heavy and not fully non-stick.